lies before us as we sail to the fountain of youth.
You could guide an expedition. You are Jack Sparrow.
There should be a captain in there somewhere. I hear a rumor. Jack Sparrow's in London, hell-bent to find the fountain of youth.
Don't be a fool, Jackie. The fountain will test you.
Was that really necessary? Gentlemen, the fountain is the prize. Mermaid waters, that be our path.
Steady as she goes.
What's your play, Jack? I thought I should give you warning. We're taking the ship. It's nothing personal.
Sparrow, ven aquí o te arranco la cabeza.
You might be better off. You just... Stay out of it. There'll be dangers along the way. Firstly, mermaids, zombies, Blackbeard, the pirate all pirates fear.
If I do not make it to the fountain, neither will you. Is that it?
I think so. It has begun again! Are we not king's men?
How is it we can never meet without you pointing something at me?
There's the Jack I know. Fight to the bitter end! You know that feeling you get when you're standing in a high place? Sudden urge to jump? I don't have it. Did everyone see that? Because I will not be doing it again.